Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to break down for you how you can sort your tables, documents, and lists on Google Sheets by color. It is very simple, guys, so let us guide you through this. So head over to your spreadsheet, and let's assume you have a table like this one here featuring various columns. And now let's assume you would like to sort that column here, column E, by color. For example, by background color of the cells or by the font color. You can apply it to both. So what you want to do, guys, is let's assume you would like to sort that column and have these darker yellow cells listed at the top of that column and the lighter yellow cells below. It is very simple, guys. What you want to do in the first step is highlight and select the set of data or the range of data you would like to apply a filter for, which in this case here is this column. So highlight it with the entirety of data. And what you want to do after that is apply a filter by clicking on that button here in the top right corner, create a filter. And once that's done, guys, click on that icon or symbol in the top right corner of the selected column and hover your mouse over sort by color. And after that, hover your mouse over fill color, or if your column features cells with different text color, you may apply that here too. However, let us go with the background color or fill color and select your color. Like for example, I would like to have these dark yellow listed at the top, and that is going to place these cells here at the top and those cells with that lighter or brighter yellow below. And that's how we do it, guys. As you can see, super simple. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.